Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tweets YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to properly turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So you can see here is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. To turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and if you want to record your video in portrait mode, the best way to turn on is just press the power button, and there you go. You can see it's now turning on. If you want to turn off, just press and hold the power key. There you go. It is now turned off. If you want to record the video in landscape mode, the best way to turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is just sliding the display like this. You can see this. There you go. It's now turned on, and you can see it's now recording on landscape mode. But if you want to turn off, just slide back and it will turn off automatically, and it is the way. But if you want to record the video in landscape mode, and if you press this, it will not work. Like you can see, it's now in portrait mode. If you want to make it landscape, you need to do this again. So it's the multiple step. So it's better if you just do not press the power button. If you just slide the display, and there you go. You don't have to press the power button. That is the actual way to turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Tech Tweets, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.